So it's week 3 of quarantine. Is it week 3 or week 4? I don't know anymore, but what I do know is I'm Clayton King, sales engineer for Innovative-IDM down in the Austin, San Antonio area, and today I've got another quick product video for you. So today we're going to look at Omron's line of compact power supplies, the S8VK series, and I'm going to show you how these can help you out in a wide array of your applications. So in my opinion, these are the perfect solution when trying to get 24 volts anywhere within your panel. These are high power density monsters in a really compact package. And to be honest, I've used these in a ton of customer applications where space was one of the biggest constraints. So let's check it out. So Omron has 4 different families of power supplies. There's the cost-effective S8VK-C and the standard with single-phase input, S8VK-G, which are both pictured here. Then they also have the standard with 3-phase input, S8VK-T, and the redundancy unit, S8VK-R. These power supplies have a high mean time between failure rating and are really resistant in tough environments, making these super reliable. These can operate in conditions from negative 40 degrees Celsius all the way up to 70 degrees Celsius and are highly resistant to any vibration due to machinery. You can save a ton of time and gain a lot of flexibility when using these power supplies. These require minimal wiring and can be mounted one-handed with the enhanced DIN rail mounting clips. They also have a double set of DC output terminals, which means less effort when wiring. Save space. This is the biggest point I wanted to make here, and I really want to highlight this. This is the most compact power supply class on the market today. So as I mentioned before, these have a high power density and a really compact package. This means a ton of space saved in your panel. I absolutely love these, and I actually have one off screen right now that's powering this external light, which is really cool. It just goes to show how many different applications these can really be used for. So for more info on these and all the other products and services that we carry, head to Innovative-IDM.com, which should be right here. And as always, thanks so much for watching. I'm having a total blast making these, and I really appreciated all the feedback I got last week, so thanks again. And until then, I'll see you next week.